Hello everyone, so today we are going to be installing a bunch of machines, and this time it's going to be a real beast of a machine. It is the new Mutoh 1682 SR Pro. So we're going to see how it's unboxed and how it's set up. So do stay tuned and join us for this installation video. Here's the team for today's installation. Here's our senior engineer, Mr. Kwang, and he's getting his tools ready for the job at hand. That's Oscar. Fun fact about Oscar, he knows how to operate a hydraulic for the lorry. Alright, here it is. Here it is. The Mutoh 1682 SR Pro. Made in Japan. Each machine comes with this thing as well. This is a leveling, so you make the machine level. And of course, those heavy duty stands that Mutoh is famous for. And you can see it's all aluminium, no plastic pieces here. That's why it's made in Japan. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And there we are. There we are. So let's take a first look at the machine before we bring it up. Let's see if we can get a front view. So you can see it's got a total of 8 cartridges. CMYK configuration for this time around. But of course you can also do it in 8 colors. This is what the machine looks like. This is the newest machine from Mutoh. And it's one of the fastest currently right now for Eco-Solvent printing, with its 2 dual heads with the new print heads that are installed in this machine. Lucky for us, today we've got a really big lift, a huge lift that can fit this thing easily, which kind of eliminates a lot of the hard work that is needed. So having a big lift at your place really helps. So the new Mutoh machine is going to be right here, right smack in the middle, and it's going to be joining its legendary brother, the 1638X, and another brother here, which is the Mutoh 1638UH, which is a hybrid roll-to-roll UV machine. So it's going to be having its company with these 2 legends side by side, and a new legend coming right here in the middle. Okay, so the new machine is coming to its brand new home. So we're kind of removing all the fasteners from the machine. This is usually the first step of this installation. Okay, Tausik, can you tell me what it is you're doing right now?
I'm just getting the activation code.
Okay, that's cool.
To start up the machine installation.
Alright, thanks.
You have?
Okay, so here we are, Tausik, examining the new print heads. You can see that they are much larger than before. You can look at that flushing sponge over there, and the size of the swatch, it's really massive. So these are the new HD print heads from Mutoh. Okay, so I'm going to give you a close-up view of the new print heads. You can see that they are really huge, and there are 2 of them. That's the first one and that's the second one. So absolutely massive swatch sizes on this Eco-Solvent. Okay, so here Kwang and Oscar, they are getting the ink tanks ready. So they come in a cassette like this. Okay, it's a new design, kind of makes it very easy and convenient to load ink into the machine. Just kind of slot it in, and there's a bag of ink inside. So it's really not a messy situation. It's super clean and very easy to do and load into these slots over here. Oscar installing the take-up units. That's the motorized part, and Kwang is doing the adjustments on the other one. So this will help the media be rolled rather easily with this take-up system that we have here. Okay, Tausik, can you please tell me what you're doing now and what's happening?
Already done the cleaning cycle twice on the machine. Now we're going to fill up with the inks.
Okay, great. So we look forward to seeing the inks in the tubes.
Yep.
Okay, so the start of every machine's life begins when we start filling up the inks. So you can see the inks at the back there. These are the ink tubes right here, and they will be filling up with ink very shortly. So let's just wait and see when they fill up. Alright, so we have just unplugged the inks. We're going to replug them. These are the tanks. So you can see they are the 4-color configuration here, and we are clicking them back. So this design saves a lot of space because it's vertical. Ink and it's flowing into the machine. Okay, so Tausig is going to just explain some of the features on the machine. So one of the cool features is this orange tab thing on the rollers. Now, can you tell me what it does?
Compared to the earlier version, now the new version have a soft media handling kit, so you can control the pressure according to thinner materials or thicker materials, and also you can disable some of the rollers. If you don't wish to use all the rollers, you can disable some of the rollers.
Okay. So we have made some changes to the chassis itself. So Tausig is going to explain to us what really is the difference here.
So previously, when there's no Pro version, there's only 3 heights, which was low, middle, and high. So high is normally we do not use because it's mainly for fabrics, and middle is mainly for banners. But customers who tendency have having like materials like good sticker and some not so good stickers, they are stuck with either low or middle. Now with the low 1 and low 2, they have an option of using backlit film or good sticker on low 1 and low 2 on stickers, still maintaining the quality of the print and the sharpness.
Okay, thank you for that explanation. So I guess now you're going to do the printed alignment.
After the fill up, then printed alignment, then we will start the printing after that.
Okay, great, thanks.